In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Rolex Submariner Bracelet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Removing the bracelet on your Rolex watch, including the Submariner model, is a straightforward process. So you will be able to remove it by using a specialized tool, and you can replace it with anything that you wish. It is recommended to always protect the watch, so lay it on a soft, clean cloth, and you can consider using some duct tape or any sort of tape to protect the finish. Although it isn't strictly necessary, it can help prevent any sort of scratches or scuffs that might be left. So all that you have to do is locate the spring bar. Usually on most models, including the Rolex Submariner, it is going to be here. So you turn the watch around and you look for a hole that has this spring bar loaded into. What you will have to do is insert a tool into this hole to push on the spring bar, essentially releasing it from this place. So like I said, it is usually going to be right here, and by pressing down on the pins on both sides, it is going to be pressed and released, so the pressure is going to go and allowing you to take it out. So insert a specialized tool if you have one, or if you don't, consider using a paper clip or a tooth clip. The ideal one would be a spring bar tool, so insert it into one of the lug holes, aim to catch the end of the spring bar inside the hole, like this, and once it is caught, just push on it. This side should come loose, and then you just have to repeat it with the other side. Once you push down on both sides, it is going to come out, and you can replace the strap if you wish. So you just use the same bar here, the spring bar, you put it on a new bracelet, and you will be good to go. But if all you want to do is remove it, just push down on both ends, and it should allow you to remove the bracelet if you did it properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Rolex Submariner Bracelet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.